You guys, we are getting so close to the end here. Today we are talking about SMART goals. All right, second to last lesson here before we have our quiz, before our makeup day, and before you are free for the summer. So good job so far. Keep it up. Hang in there. So today's SMART goals, I think you guys have probably heard of them before, which is awesome. It stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. Today you're going to need to think of your own SMART goal in order to fill out the daily points. So as the lecture goes through, think about one that you want to use in your head, and as I'm talking, think, would that work? Okay? Because some of us are going to turn in a goal and it's not going to be a SMART goal and we're not going to get our full points. Okay? So make sure you know that yours is a SMART goal because it hits all 5 of these points. So again, you're going to listen to it here. I go through the SMART goals for you. The PowerPoint slides are here. Copy and paste those into your URL. If you want to look at those while you do your homework, sometimes I get it. It's nice to have it up side by side. And here is your assignment for the day. And you're going to turn it in right beneath where I just clicked on. You guys got it by this point. All right. So SMART goals. My goal is you're going to write it right here. Then you're going to go through each of the 5 letters. And answer the question. So, specific. Having a specific goal keeps your attention and energy very focused. If your goal is too vague, you will not know exactly where to direct your efforts. So, how will you go about achieving the goal? What is your process? So, the steps to achieving this goal will be answer here. Okay? You're going to read the measurable part. Answer right here. Read the achievable part. You're going to answer down here. Relevant. Answer down here. And you guessed it. Time bound. You're going to guess it down here. Okay, like I said, after you guys are done, you're going to turn that into the bottom here by midnight tonight and enjoy your day.